Ridwan again. Today I'm back with another cooking video, and today we're going to be making pasta. And here's the ingredients. Guys, so how you been doing, guys? I hope you're all doing well. If you didn't notice this year, apparently there's a plan for a second lockdown where basically it's gonna be the same as the first one. All shops are closed and staying indoors, which I'm not gonna like this, because the reason why I don't like this is because I won't be able to go to my favorite shop like Nando's, and I've always loved Nando's so much. Yeah. By the way, guys, I've also have a video that is based on the Nando's video, and it's when I went there during lockdown. So if you want to see it here, click this button here to see it, and it will take you straight to the video. So yeah, and make sure you enjoy the video and like it. Alright guys, enough of the chit chat here. Let's get this bad boy started. Alright guys, step one, you're gonna get your frying pan here, and you either have a choice for two. You can either use a butter or an oil, but today we're going to be using a butter mainly because I want to make this pasta very tasty and creamy and rich. So guys, we're going to be using a butter block to put it inside our pan, so let's do it. It's moving around, and you can see the butter. Yes. And let me wash my hands. You don't have to wash your hands off everything. Alright guys, next up here, while the butter is melting here, we're going to be adding some chopped up garlic, and I did cut these, if you're wondering. That smells nice. Can you smell it?
Yeah, garlic always smells nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. Guys, now you know what to do here. Now you're going to give this a mix here, and it's time to add your chopped onions. Now we've just added the onions here, now we're going to add some salt. And you give it a mix. There we go. Alright guys, here we have the chilies here. As my mom said here, this is like optional, but we like to have our pasta very spicy, so we're going to add it. Guys, now we just mixed it here, and the thing here is now golden brown here. Now we're going to add our seasoning, which are like these ones. You know what I mean? Like turmeric, chili, coriander, and chili flakes. I always forget about those ones. Now it's time to add the spices. So first of all, my favorite, chili. Then we have turmeric, don't give the red pepper, and coriander. And we'll save the pepper later. Chili flakes, yeah. Oh my gosh, look guys, the color is now changing. Alright, now we're going to be adding our pasta sauce right here. Oh no, Ridwan!
Oh my god. I'm not happy with that.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna add the rest of it. I think there's a little bit more. You can add a little bit more.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I just got some in my hand.
Okay, that's enough.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Now guys, look at this. I've now mixed it, and it's so colorful and bright as red. See? Aww. Alright guys, now I'm going to be tasting it, and it does taste nice. It tastes nice actually. So, yeah. Are you sure? Do you want to add it? Maybe you can add the red peppers now, yeah? Yes. Sure. Look at this. Now let's add it. Ooh, guys, yeah. If you don't know about this year, do you think I should have an end to my YouTube career and be an opera singer? And let me do my opera. I love pasta.
Go on, give us some more, opera.
Yeah, okay. I love my grandma. What was he saying there? I love my grandma. Yeah, obviously.
That's a nice way of saying it.
Okay,
Yeah.
you got any more opera for us?
I love my YouTube career.
I didn't get.
LOL!
Alright guys, now you just heard my opera singer, yeah? Do you think I should come to an end to my YouTube career or and become an opera singer or not? What do you think, guys? Comment down section below. Alright guys, now we're going to add my pasta, yeah? And it's right here. It's so gooey.
This is the long pasta. You guys can use the curly one
I've done it.
or
Just put it.
the other ones. It doesn't really matter. We're just using the long ones today.
Yeah. Guys, now you added your pasta, yeah? Now you're gonna give it a mix.
You added the first half, okay?
Yes.
And then add the second half after.
Did you see the colours in my pasta?
Come on then, mix it. You have to get all the pasta sauce around everywhere.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, now I just mixed the pasta, yeah. So what you're gonna do next here is remove your spoon from the pan, yeah. And you're gonna get your lid right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna cover it up here and leave it for 10 minutes. So yeah.
Put the flame down.
Alright guys, now next up we're going to be cutting up some fresh basil and from my garden here, and you're going to get your knife here.
It's got a nice fresh smell, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like that smell. You can tell your viewers they can use coriander if they want.
Yeah,
I only use basil.
yeah guys, you can use your coriander as well, but we prefer to have it with basil, yeah. Alright guys, next up we're going to be adding our chili flakes and our cheese. But always, yeah, chili flakes is also optional. So, yeah. Time to add the cheese. There we go. Whoa, oh, nearly came off the edge. Oh,
Cheese melts, okay?
yeah.
Because everyone likes the cheesy pasta, isn't it?
Yeah,
Pasta is supposed to be cheesy.
that's right. Oh my god, look how tasty it is!
So Ridwan, as you can clearly see, when he makes nice food, he starts opera singing.
Yeah.
And he also drops it while singing as well.
Yeah.
LOL! A few moments later.
There we go guys, look at this! Now I'm going to try it.
You didn't even. Oh, okay.
Oh,
What are you having? The pasta or the cheese?
the pasta.
Okay.
It's so nice actually, I like it. And I can feel the cheese in it.
This is his first time trying pasta, by the way, guys.
Yeah, I never had pasta before. I always eat pizzas.
Yeah. Okay, so out of 10.
I would give this 10.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright guys, now it's the end of the video. So if you do like this video, yeah, make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and hit the notification bell to be notified for more future videos. So thanks for watching. Bye and assalamu alaikum.
You know what I mean?